In this video, we're taking a look at a quick move-in by David Weekley Homes. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor out here in the Jacksonville area with Herron Real Estate. And today I'm out here in the Granville neighborhood within the eTown community located in Jacksonville, Florida. Granville neighborhood is being developed by David Weekley Homes, and they feature 38 and 34 foot home sites. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the Westberry, which is the home right behind me. And as you can see, there's lots of movement here, lots of construction going on in the Granville neighborhood. Now this home sits on a 34-foot home site, and it's a rear loading home. So you're gonna have the garage on the back side of the house. So it's not like a traditional home where the garage is on the front. All right, so this is the Westberry. It's a two-story home. This is elevation A. Now all of the rear loading homes will have fencing included. All right, let's go take a look inside. Here we are at the front porch. You have an 8-foot entry door with nice rain glass. So you have the privacy with the edge design, but still allowing natural light to come in. All right, so here we walk into the entry. We have a nice light fixture there. You have a coat closet. Right, and then here we see that you have LVP flooring, and it'll go throughout the first floor. Now the first floor, we do have 10-foot ceilings, and we're gonna have 8-foot doorways. Before we take a look at the kitchen, just wanted to go into this little pocket area. Here would be a nice space for a small desk, a little pocket office. This area here, you could probably put some shelves. And then here we have a storage closet. So you're gonna find lots of storage space in this house. And here we have the dining area, which leads us right into the living room or the family room. There's plenty of natural light with the sliders and then the transom windows. And here we have the lanai. Give you a quick peek over here. Straight ahead we have the kitchen. Here's the kitchen with a nice large island. So this home is great for hosting. You have room for about 4 chairs over here, and then you'd have your dining area here, living room. So nice open concept. Everyone can be together when hanging out. You have quartz countertops, and then this has cabinetry all around, so you're not gonna have the drywall there. You have a nice subway tile backsplash. Looks like you have a 36-inch 5-burner cooktop. And then it does vent to the exterior. Over here we have the microwave oven combo. So you have your gourmet style kitchen layout. Here's the pantry. Now this home is move-in ready. There you might see a couple of things that need to be addressed, but for the most part, this home is ready. So if you're looking for a home, you want to move right away, skip the construction process, this home might be a good fit for you. Here we have a half bath or a powder room. And straight ahead is the garage entry door. This home features a 2-car garage. And here to the left, we have a backpack rack. And then we have another closet. All right, so if you're interested in purchasing a new construction home and want to work with me, please reach out before visiting any builders. Builders do have a strict policy of having your realtor at your first visit. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'll be happy to assist you with the purchase process of a new construction home, whether it's building from scratch or a quick move-in. I'm happy to help. All right, so here we are going upstairs. Nice wooden stairs with an open rail going all the way to the second floor. And one of the nice things about Granville is that you're close to the commercial here in eTown. So straight ahead you have a Publix, and you're gonna have some restaurants, shops, and you'll be close to the gas station as well. All right, so we've made it to the second floor. Here you have carpet. Just wanted to give you a quick pan. And this is the mechanical room, so you're gonna have your HVAC there. And over here we enter bedroom number 2. You're gonna have carpet all throughout the first floor. This light here is braced for a fan. If you wanted to change to another light fixture. Here we have a nice size closet. Walk in. And over here we have a full bath. You have the shower tub combo. Nice tile design. And just across we have the linen closet. Here we enter bedroom number 3. We have another walk-in closet here. And just across from bedroom number 3 is the laundry or utility room. And then you're gonna have your panel for the internet. So here are the hookups for the washer and then the dryer. Now eTown is a natural gas community, so if you're wanting a gas dryer, you're gonna have your gas stub there. If you prefer an electric dryer, you have access there. That'll be the outlet for the electric dryer. And then here we enter the owner's retreat or owner's suite. Lots of natural light. You do have a tray ceiling. Now on the second floor we have 9-foot ceilings, and then the entry doors are going to be standard 6 foot 8 inches. Now with this tray, it'll bump up your ceiling from 9 to about 10 feet. Here we enter the owner's bath. We have 2 sinks here. And then we have the shower. It is a walk-in shower with tile going all the way up. Nice transom window there for natural light. And here you have the walk-in closet. This is one of 2 in the owner's retreat. We have walk-in closet number 2 over here. So this one is a nice sized closet, plenty of space. Then over here we have the water closet. All right, so if you're interested in knowing more about this home, David Weekley Homes, eTown, or the Jacksonville area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'm happy to assist you with the purchase of your home and walking you through the new construction process. Or if you're looking for a resale, I'd be glad to assist you as well. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.